Hello everyone, and welcome back to our deep dive into the magical world of Winx Club. Today we're recapping one of the most pivotal episodes of Season 2, Episode 19, The Power of Charmix. This is where everything starts to change for our favorite fairies, so let's get right into it. The episode kicks off with the Winx in a really tough spot. They're facing off against the Trix, who are now supercharged with the power of the Gloomix, and things are not looking good. They're getting pushed back, their magic isn't as effective, and their confidence is seriously shaken. The Trix are relentless, taunting them and exploiting every little doubt they have. It's a dark moment, and you can feel the desperation setting in. Bloom, in particular, is struggling. After losing her dragon flame powers to Darkar, she's feeling lost and powerless, and seeing her friends get beaten down is just making it worse. But this is the Winx Club we're talking about. They don't stay down for long. Amidst the chaos and despair, a crucial realization dawns on them. It's not just about raw power, it's about what's inside. They understand that to overcome this immense darkness, they need to have complete and total faith in themselves, in each other, and in the magic that connects them. This isn't just about believing they can win, it's about accepting who they are, flaws and all, and finding strength in their own unique identities. This profound moment of self-acceptance becomes the catalyst for something incredible. One by one, each of the Winx girls faces a personal challenge that pushes them to overcome their deepest insecurities. For example, Stella has to accept her sometimes flighty nature and find the confidence within it. Flora has to embrace her gentle heart as a source of strength, not weakness. And as each fairy confronts and conquers their inner demons, a new power awakens within them. Charmix. The first time we see Charmix, it's just breathtaking. It's not a full new transformation, but an enhancement, a brooch and a waist pouch that appear on their existing Winx forms. Farasi explains that Charmix is a temporary power-up, a magical boost earned by overcoming a personal flaw or fear. It's the physical manifestation of their inner growth, and it's so powerful because it comes from a place of truth and self-awareness. It is a brilliant concept because it shows that true power isn't just about getting stronger spells. It's about becoming a better, more complete version of yourself. With Charmix, the Winx are able to access a new level of energy that helps them balance their strength and spirit. It gives them the extra juice they need to counter the Trix's Gloomix-fueled attacks. The tide of the battle begins to turn dramatically. Suddenly, the Winx's spells are hitting harder, their defenses are stronger, and their teamwork is more in sync than ever before. You can see the shock on the Trix's faces as the fairies they thought they had beaten are now fighting back with renewed vigor and a radiant new power. One of the most touching parts of this episode is how Bloom starts to recover. Even though she doesn't earn her Charmix just yet, seeing her friends find their inner strength and stand up to the Trix fills her with hope. She feels the power of their true friendship, a magic that is just as potent as any spell. This bond reminds her that she's not alone and that her friend's strength is her strength too. It's the first step on her own journey to not just regaining her powers, but discovering a new depth to them. As the battle rages on, the Winx, now empowered by Charmix, begin to push the Trix back. The fight is far from over, but for the first time, it feels like they have a real chance. The power of Charmix isn't just a new magical accessory. It's a symbol of their resilience, their growth, and the unbreakable bond of their friendship. It proves that by conquering the darkness within, you can stand against any darkness in the world. This episode is such a fan favorite because it perfectly balances epic action with deep character development. It's a beautiful message for everyone watching. Believe in yourself, embrace your true nature, and you'll unlock a power you never knew you had. What did you all think of the Charmix reveal? Let me know your favorite Charmix moment in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Winx Club content. See you next time.